Hello. Why I really like Neonate Harrison's hand rearing formula is because of its ability to give a young, newly hatched parrot an absolute kickstart in life. And they're very high, or it is very high in protein and fat, which you have to be careful of, and therefore I would say safely 3 days is as much as I would push it. But I have read, and many people have, up to 2 weeks on the food. It is also something which, to be mixed, I would go by 20% ratio. So 1/5 of the food that you're giving them is the powder, and 4/5 of it, or 80%, is water. And that's all. And from the very first feed, I've found it is great. No need to start off with the lower percentage, because it doesn't appear to be any reason. The food, it goes through the system at an even pace. It doesn't appear to get absorbed too quickly. At 25% solid, so 1 part the powder and 3 parts the water, I feel there's just that individual that it is too much for. So definitely go there. And I've heard 30, but it's getting really thick, which is one of the bonuses too, because it means that chances of aspiration, the most common potential reason for death, is, you know, too much food going down too quickly. Humans are a lot bigger, so we've got to be careful and gentle. Ciao.